How to replace a Human Touch Novo Flex actuator. You will need a 6mm Allen wrench, 13mm open wrench, wire cutter, zip ties, and a paper clip. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. If there is a black spacer installed on the calf massager mounting post, cut the zip tie that secures the spacer to the post, then remove and discard the spacer. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. Cut the zip tie that secures the spacer to the other mounting post, if there is one, then remove and discard the spacer. Pry the retaining clip off the other mounting post. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose and connector, then remove the foot and calf massager. Unzip the front of the backrest pad. Locate the air hoses on the right-hand side of the backrest pad near the front, then disconnect the hoses. Lift the pad to expose the heat connectors, then disconnect them. Cut the zip tie that secures the excess heat cable. Disconnect the air hoses and heat connectors on the left-hand side of the backrest pad. Locate the backrest pad zippers just behind the wood arm panels, then unzip both sides of the pad. Unzip the top of the backrest pad, then remove the pad from the chair. Using a paper clip, unzip both massage mechanism cover zippers, then remove the cover. Placing one hand on top of the upper left backrest and the other on the bottom of the side panel, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Cut the zip tie that secures the two actuator cables to the flex actuator. Cut the zip tie that secures the flex actuator cable to the other actuator cable. Cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables to the chair frame. Cut the zip tie that secures the two flex actuator connectors together, then disconnect them. Using a 6mm Allen wrench and a 13mm open wrench, remove the nut and bolt from the rear of the actuator. Pull the actuator toward you, removing the inserts. Using the same tools, remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator. Holding the inserts in place, remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Remove the twist tie that secures the front actuator mounting point, ensuring that the inserts do not fall out. Place the front actuator mounting point into position, then replace the nut and bolt to secure it. Remove the twist tie that secures the rear actuator mounting point, ensuring that the inserts do not fall out. Place the rear actuator mounting point into position, then replace the nut and bolt to secure it. Use a new zip tie to secure both actuator cables to the flex actuator. Use a new zip tie to secure the two actuator cables together in the same location as they were previously secured. Connect the actuator connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Use a new zip tie to secure the connectors to the chair frame. Use a new zip tie to secure the two flex actuator connectors together lengthwise. Cut the excess zip ties. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Use a paper clip to zip the massage mechanism cover to the chair. Place the backrest pad into position. Connect the right-hand heat connectors, then bundle the excess cable and secure it using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Connect the left-hand heat connectors. Reconnect the air hoses on each side, making sure each hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Align the hook and loop fasteners on the underside of the pad with those on the chair, then press down on the pad to secure it. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the chair. Zip both sides of the pad to the chair. Zip the front of the pad to the chair. Place the foot and calf massager into position in front of the chair, then connect the connectors. Connect the air hose, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.